Friends, now we will discuss about Mauryan economy. In Mauryan economy, the taxes were collected regularly so that they could maintain the standing army. Already I have explained this point once. They had a number of officials to have regular collection of revenues so that they could maintain the flow of earning properly, so that they could use that money for the betterment of their empire and to pay salaries to the soldiers. Revenue was collected from the farmers. They had different sources of collecting revenues. Suppose those who were using royal land holdings, they had to pay tax to the empire, and the traders, they also had to pay the tax to the empire, and tax was collected in regular basis and in proper channels, proper ways, and administrative structure was made of this. Mauryan empire was based on the revenue collection. Next, the Mauryan empire was agricultural based economic empire. So modern day also India is agricultural based country, so you can understand agriculture was an important part of economic activities. And Mauryan government provided irrigation facilities to the peasantry so that they could earn more, they could grow more crops in their lands. The Arthashastra refers a tax called water tax. This water tax was collected from the peasants or the farmers if they used the government made water body system, or if they used government made irrigation system to get water for their own land, they had to pay tax. Many dams were made by Mauryan kings. One of them was a dam at Girnar in western India, which was made by Chandragupta's governor Pushyagupta. In western India it is situated. Next is the trade. The Mauryans had both inland trade and foreign trade. They used water bodies or riverine ways within the inland also, and for the foreign trade they used sea routes. They had trade relation with Greece, Egypt, and Sri Lanka. Currency, they used punch marked coins. We have already discussed about these punch marked coins in previous chapters. And Mauryans were the first on the subcontinent to issue coins. Now let us see few coins introduced by Mauryan Empire. See, these are the coins of Mauryan Empire, punched mark coins. The marks were created by punch, means or pressure. That's why these are called punched mark coins. You can see this. And these are the coins during the time of Ashoka. You can see these coins were decorated specially. These were also punched mark coins. And these were the dam in the Girnar region in western India, which were created by the official of Chandragupta Maurya.